Hello everybody. I'll give you another short walk tour, and this time I'll be touring you around, or probably shall I say inside. So that's the entrance of the Manila Cathedral. There's an X-ray something there. So of course for security purposes. And look at this. Manila Cathedral is so amazing. Unfortunately, the lights are not all of the lights are turned on. It would have been nicer, so probably later, especially when it gets dark. So His Holiness Pope Francis, blessed with his presence, the newly restored Manila Cathedral Basilica, when he celebrated the Holy Eucharist for the bishops, clergy, consecrated men and women, and seminarians on January 16, 2015. The second day of his apostolic visit to the Philippines on January 15 to 19, 2015. Pope Francis was the third pope to celebrate the Holy Eucharist at the Manila Cathedral Basilica. The first was Pope Paul VI in 1970, and the second was Pope John Paul II in 1981. So this is what it looks like here. And they also have some kind of collections here. So Filipino nativity scenes. Amazing. Figurot Holy Family. Okay. So different versions of nativity. Okay. So this is African nativity set. Holy Family. Amazing. And another versions here of the nativity. This one is cute. Amazing. So there are different depictions of the nativity. Of course, this one is amazing. Filipino nativity scene. So you have to observe silence here because others are actually praying. So I'll pray later. I am not yet done touring around here, so I might as well also visit their souvenir shop because I like to buy a new guide for the Holy Rosary. So others are getting inside now. So I will surely buy something here. Let me check. Okay. Oh my gosh. I love this. Yes. Birthstone. So may ganun pala. So ito yung makikita nyo dito, guys. So still so yeah. So diha ragid siya. Why is it that this portion is empty? So this portion of the church shows the history of the cathedral. Oh, what's this? So it was constructed in 1571. Ooh. So the original one is wood. So the original church is made of nipa and bamboo. And then it became wood. However, it was destroyed by fire. And then by an earthquake. Sayang. It underwent many. So the cathedral collapsed during the earthquake of June 3, 1863. Oh. Oh my gosh, madami pala na tong history. So the 7th cathedral started when the architects Lucian Oliver bago pa gani 1872 tapos pagka 1880 another earthquake na po. Grabe. And of course, the church was bombed by American planes during the Battle of Manila in February 1945. Otsuke. So, the present Manila Cathedral rose phoenix-like from the desolate ruins of the old cathedral. And of course, it was again renovated. So, to the tune of a 70 million pesos last 2014. Okay. Manila is the only city in the world whose cathedral has been rebuilt as many as 8 times. The first cathedral made of nipa and bamboo was constructed in 1581, damaged by a typhoon in 1582, and razed by fire in 1583. The second cathedral was rebuilt using stone masonry, 1591, destroyed by an earthquake in 1600. The third cathedral was constructed in 1614 but collapsed by the earthquake of 1645. Between 1667 to 1681, the fourth cathedral rose under the initiative of Bishop Miguel Poblete. Fray Juan So fifth version, modeled after the Baroque church of Il Gesù in Rome. The fifth cathedral was heavily damaged by the 1852 earthquake. Again. So in 1945, the bombs of the Second World War left only fragments of its facade intact. However, reconstruction plans were completed, and yeah. So the 8th cathedral reopened its portals in 1958. So today, after over 6 decades, the present iteration of the cathedral is undergoing extensive preventive maintenance. Okay. Amazing. Amazing. So try to get closer to the front to see the altar because the altar is so nice. That's Saint Peter. So this section was also empty. There are seats here. Amazing. amazing. And that ends our quick tour here in Manila Cathedral. Ayun.